Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Bybit account. To sign up for a Bybit account and begin your cryptocurrency trading journey, first of all, open up your Bybit application on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you download the app first from your App Store or your Google Play Store. After opening up the app, you will be welcomed with this screen. Tap on the sign up button at the bottom of the screen. Now, enter an email address or a mobile phone number in the text box on the next page. Make sure you type down a valid email address. Once done, make sure to check this little box at the bottom to the terms of service and privacy policy of Bybit and tap on sign up now. You can also sign up with your Google account, Telegram account, or with your Apple ID. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit verification code that has been sent to your provided email inbox. Type down the code correct. After typing down the code, you'll be prompted to create a password on the next page. Type down a secure and strong password, matching the criteria displayed beneath the password box. After you are done, click on Sign Up Now. On the next page, it'll prompt you to verify your identity to unlock full features and enhance security for your Bybit account. You can complete the verification process right now by tapping on Verify My Identity, or you may skip this step for now by tapping Skip at the top right. Right after you do that, you will be able to complete the registration process. You can now go ahead and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security for your account. So that is how you can easily create a new account on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.